HP is shrinking the 15-inch version of its Spectre x360 convertible laptop. That's a good thing, because 15-inch laptops are often very unwieldy when you rotate their hinges 360 degrees to transform them into a tablet. The new version is 13% smaller than the old one, and that's thanks mostly to smaller borders around the screen, which are known as bezels. The result is a 90% screen-to-body ratio, one of the highest that we've seen. Inside, HP is making the new 6-core Intel processor available as an option, as well as NVIDIA's GeForce GTX graphics. And there's also an optional 4K OLED touchscreen. The new Spectre x360 is shaping up to be an excellent blend of lightweight and performance, and we can't wait to test it out.